Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add custom stickers to your Instagram story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Using stickers on your stories and reels is a great way to make your content stand out. If you're like me and focus on traditional or digital art, integrating your actual artwork, illustration, and designs into your Instagram content will not only allow you to stand out in a sea of some, but will also allow you to show off what you best design. So in this video, I will show you how to make your story more interesting. You can add your custom story. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile here to add story. You can choose the photo that you want to add for your story, but I will choose this. But I think I will just block this like this, and I will add custom stickers. You can tap on the sticker icon here. You'll see there is an option cutouts. You can tap on that and you can choose the picture that you want to create for the stickers. I will choose this one. You can tap on use sticker, but if the sticker does not create properly, we can tap on select manually, but I will just use stickers. You can add where you want to put your stickers. You can also add more than one sticker. I will choose one more. I would add more sticker here. I will choose this picture to add to my story like this. I will add more because you want add as many as you want. Like this. So cute, right? I will add this one too. I will put this in here. I will add more stickers like this. You can select manually for the sticker. I will change the picture. Maybe I will choose this. Is the sticker, and if you finish, so here's your sticker, your custom sticker on your Instagram story. You can just tap on your story. You can just share. You can wait. And here's your story with your custom sticker. So that is how to add custom sticker to your Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.